by giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, I'm Mohammed. I'm born and brought up in Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh, and my dream is to get a job in a IT sector. For this, I joined the CCP 4.0 program, and there I learned the technologies that are required to the present corporate world needed. And before joining there, I don't have any coding knowledge, and there I learned those technologies, uh, practice the practice sets, assignments, and then doing the projects, and have good by that I get a good knowledge on those. And coming to my education qualification, I completed MBA in the stream of finance and marketing with 6.62 this is GPA, and completed my undergraduation with a 69% of marks in the stream of BCom computers, and I completed my intermediate with 91% of marks in the stream of MPC, and I completed my 10 standards in with 81% of marks. Uh, and coming to my hobbies, playing cricket, watching movies, and listening music. And my strengths are to be self-confident, dedication towards work, and quick and self-learner. Mm, and technical skills, I learned are HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, Python, and SQL. Uh, I do the projects while learning those technologies. Uh, in those projects, I choose one of those project to explain here, and then my project title was the fixed head. Project title was the fixed header, footer, and sidebar layout example. Layout example. In this example, there we have explained all the projects using the technology HTML CSS without using Bootstrap. There I developed the responsive website layout with it. Mm, Instead of using Bootstrap, the responsible web design layout was developed only using CSS. Uh, the components that are required, to develop these without using Bootstrap are the original CSS styles are required for it. In this project, the navbar, sidebar, and footer are developed in it. Layout has to be developed. In this, first we have developed the navbar. First, na- first add navbar, and then we and then uh, in the page body we have developed the sidebar and the page content. Sidebar has to be fixed, and it has no uh, uh, and it does not string the sidebar, and it is not change in the width or anything. And in the page content, it is to be adjusted according to the designer responsive web designer width of the screen. um, and then finally we have developed the footer with the same form with the same CSS styles of the what are those used in the navbar. If the content present in the paragraphs content is uh, huge, then pa- then the content has to be overlap. For this to overcome, we have to use the overflow property, and then use the auto value for it to over not to overcome, and we have to fix the sidebar and navbar as fixed, and the footer also fixed. By this, I developed this project for this wonderful opportunity.